So I did get into the gut stuff because back in, I was in my teens actually, I did not have a flat belly. And you know, everybody's walking around with their flat belly and their bikinis, not me. And I was like, what the heck? And so figured out that I had digestive issues, and a lot of it is emotional, mental, spiritual. We could go down that path because that is a huge issue when rebalancing the gut. In my family, I've had 3 family members who died of stomach cancer. So stomach issues, gut, digestion, thought patterns, all that is combined. But the real issue was I was eating horribly. I was the pizza queen of New York. I would eat pizza every single week and a big bottle of Coca-Cola. And so my diet was horrible. I ate sweets all the time. So as I learned about it over the years, what I learned is that, hey, this could be turned around by good diet, which is absolutely what you're doing. I love what you're doing. Everything that you're teaching your people about keto and the right foods is fabulous. It's exactly what they need to do. But then there's this issue about digesting it. So whether you're eating fats, carbs, proteins, whatever that diet base, you gotta be able to digest it. And that's the issue with a lot of us. So I learned it's the digestion of that, and also then detoxing it, because we've had it for a long time, and that's where that poofy belly comes a lot of times. I know we don't like to talk about it, but we need to, is we get constipated. And when you get constipated, the belly starts to go out, and then we don't have that flat belly, and then the weight starts going in other places because your body's protecting your organs. So toxins are stored in fat. So when you lose the weight, you're going to feel better because the toxins are leaving, and that's so awesome. So constipation is one thing, and that means having a bowel movement after every meal. And not all of us have that. I used to go once a week. I know, once a week, that's a long time, horrible. And then I used to have skin rashes and weight issues and fatigue and not sleeping, all those different things. But now, here I am, 63 years old, I got energy, I feel good, not constipated, following a good program, but I detox regularly. So you do a great job teaching your people about no sugar. But there's a couple of other layers on that as well. So if they detox other things in their body, the weight comes off, the toxins leave because they're not stored in fat, and everybody starts feeling better because they have more energy. And that is exciting.